Most students think past papers are only for the last few days before exams. This is exactly why their marks stay average. You study for hours, you feel tired, you feel productive, but your results don't improve. Why? Because you are studying without direction. In this video, I will show you how to use past papers the right way, the way toppers use them. And at the end, I will ask you one simple question that will reveal how serious you are about improving. First, understand this clearly. Past papers are not just practice. They are a blueprint of your exam. They show you patterns, reveal repeated topics, and teach you how examiners think. When you ignore past papers, you are guessing. When you use them correctly, you are preparing with strategy and clarity. Step 1 is to not start by solving, but by analyzing. Take at least 5 years of past papers and go through each paper slowly. For every question, write its topic in a notebook, whether it is algebra, diagrams, definitions, or long questions. After analyzing a few papers, you will start noticing patterns. Some topics appear again and again, while others rarely show up. This gives you a clear direction and helps you focus on what actually matters most. Step 2 is to connect your study with past papers. Do not start by solving full papers like most students do. Instead, pick one topic from your book, study it properly, and then solve only the past paper questions related to that topic. This trains your brain to apply knowledge instead of just memorizing it. You will also notice that many questions repeat in slightly different ways, which gives you a strong advantage. Step 3 is to simulate the real exam. When you feel ready, take one full past paper, sit at a table, and set a timer. Do not use your phone and do not open your book. Attempt it honestly as if it is your real exam. This step is uncomfortable, but it is where real improvement happens. Many students think they are prepared until they try to complete a paper on time. Step 4 is to analyze your mistakes deeply. Do not just check answers and move on. Ask yourself why you made each mistake. Was it lack of understanding, poor time management, or a careless error? Write the reason down. If you do not understand your mistakes, you will repeat them in the exam. But there is one more thing that separates average students from top performers. Top students do not just solve past papers, they track their progress. They keep a separate page where they write their weak areas again and again until those weaknesses disappear. This turns their preparation into a system, not just effort. They also focus on timing. They do not just try to complete the paper, they try to complete it better each time, faster, cleaner, and with fewer mistakes. This is how they gain control over the exam instead of feeling pressure during it. And remember, past papers are not about doing more papers. They are about learning more from each paper. One paper done with deep analysis is far more powerful than 5 papers done without thinking. Now here is the question. When you solve past papers, do you only check the answers, or do you also write down your mistakes and the reasons behind them? Be honest. Your answer will show your level of seriousness. If you follow this method, past papers will not just be practice. They will become your guide, your strategy, and your shortcut to better marks. Use past papers early, use them with strategy, and you will not just study harder, you will study smarter, faster, and with confidence.